Hi friends, so today I will let sometimes in your Outlook profile view reading pane view will be changed. Like I will open the Outlook, I will show you the something. Okay, like this type of view you want to fix this view, how we can fix the Outlook view. Okay, so simply things we have a 2-3 things we can fix this type of issue. You can go to view and click on first option. We can click on compact. This is automatically will be set. Okay, but sometime if you can select the compact, that will be view will be not changed. Okay, so second option we can go to current view. Okay, current view and click on reset setting. Here is a not highlighted because this view it's already changed. Okay, so if we can something we can change here, uh, modify colon cc. Okay, okay, okay. So now we have changed the view. So I want to like same format. There is a view. If I'm clicking on this one, and this will be not fixed, so we can click on current view and reset. There is option original settings. We can click on yes. So now all previous settings will be removed and your Outlook view it's fixed. So thank you so much for watching the video.